Hello, my name is George Breeze. I'm Head of Geography at Nobel School. I'm going to tell you a little bit about Geography A-Level. We have 4 members of staff in the department, and we have classes in Year 12 and Year 13. Geography as a subject has never been more important than it is now. We live in a world that is increasingly connected, where the distances between people, settlements, and countries has never been smaller. As the world and its people change, geography offers the opportunity to understand the causes, processes, and effects that these changes incur, whilst learning about the growing knowledge of the natural world that we possess. Students studying A-level geography not only leave with an impressive depth and breadth of knowledge, but also a wide range of skills. These skills range from analysing complex natural processes and human concepts to analysing data and statistical testing. These skills are valuable to employers and universities alike. Geography combines the literacy and analysis skills found in subjects like history and English, but also the statistical and scientific skills found in biology and mathematics. We follow the OCR Geography Specification, which is made up of 4 units. The first unit is about the physical structure of the Earth. Unit 1 includes topics like coastal processes and management, seeing how nature and humans change the coast, as well as the Earth's life support systems, which are the water and carbon cycles. Human action in the last 100 years especially has had a dramatic impact on these, and we are seeing the effects of this in our intense and changing weather patterns. Unit 2 looks at more human topics, with students learning about how areas have been redeveloped over time. Areas like the London Docklands have gone through dramatic changes, being centres for transportation and industry, and are now very expensive residential areas. This links closely with the topic of global migration, which is another topic within the unit, where we see where people move not only within the UK, but around the world. The final section in this unit is called Power and Borders, which is a really interesting introduction to geopolitics around the world, looking at questions like, why is the Middle East such an important area for countries thousands of miles away? Why does China have such large investments in railways and projects in Africa? In Unit 3, students study 2 debate topics. In this unit, they discuss ideas relating to climate change and tectonic hazards. Debates around tectonic hazards centre on causes and responsibility for protecting people. The students look at examples like L'Aquila in Italy, where in 2009 government advisors were actually taken to court for their poor attempts to manage and warn people about earthquake hazards. In the climatic crisis debate topic, students examine not only theories behind the causes of climate change, but also the pressing issue of how we handle the effects of it. Do we try to prevent climate change by planting trees, or do we simply prepare for the effects by building stronger sea defences? The final unit is an NEA, or non-examined assessment. In old language, we would refer to this as coursework. It's essentially an investigation, much like a science experiment, but on a far larger scale. The students are tasked with creating their own hypothesis or prediction about a question that they wish to investigate. They then collect data, analyse the data, and evaluate the whole process. In the past, we've had students investigate questions like, what is the identity of Hitchin as a settlement? How does tourism affect sites in the Lake District? Are areas with a higher property value protected more by coastal defences than areas with a low property value? And finally, how have the Troubles in Northern Ireland shaped Belfast socially and economically? This project is a great opportunity for the students to demonstrate their independence and to really explore an area that they are particularly interested in. I hope I've shown you not only how exciting A-level geography is, but also how important it is as a subject too. If you'd like a taster of what the course is like, I really recommend reading either Prisoners of Geography or The Almighty Dollar, both of which provide an excellent insight into the course. As a sixth form tutor myself, I know that Nobel is an excellent place to study any subject, but particularly geography. With average class sizes of around 10, we have enough students in the class to perform debates and activities, but not so many students that the students aren't getting the teachers' kind of full attention, and they're getting plenty of feedback from the teachers too. I really look forward to seeing many of you in September.